Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Durango headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You'll need a new headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly. There are two retaining pins at the top of the assembly that need to be removed to free the unit. Once the retaining pins are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel snug, but it will slide out. Next, you'll see an electrical connector on the back of the assembly. Disconnect this by pressing the tab and pulling. Now, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release the old bulb from its housing. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly, then twist it clockwise to lock it into place. After that, reattach the electrical connector firmly to the back of the headlight assembly. With the new bulb installed and connected, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting position. Make sure it aligns correctly. Reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier to secure the assembly firmly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working as expected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.